Hi everyone, this is a quick holiday glam look for an everyday. I'm not using foundation, this is just a CC cream, so keep watching to see how I got this quick out the door December holiday look. I first start by applying the CC cream in the shade light to medium. I'm applying the under eye corrector from Mary Kay. It's just to cover up any dark circles I have. Then right after that, I'm going in with the Perfecting Concealer in the shade Light Beige. And I usually put a lot of this on just to bring out the eyes. And here I'm just going in and setting everything with my translucent powder. And here I'm just adding my blush. It's the Baked Cheek powder in the color Giving Heart from Mary Kay. Just adding to my crease the hazelnut eyeshadow, and I'm going to bring it down underneath my eye as well. And here I'm applying to my eyelids the Mary Kay highlight. This is what's going to change the look to a sparkly holiday December quick look. And you're going to add it everywhere else that you would want a little highlight as well. Just adding some Mary Kay liquid eyeliner. You can also skip this step if you really just want to just get out the door real quick and just go straight into the mascara. And of course, adding my favorite mascara of all time, the Ultimate Mascara by Mary Kay in black. And then to finish off this look, of course, It's the holidays, so slap on that red lipstick. The shade that I'm wearing right now is the Red Smolder by Mary Kay. There's all different color shades depending on your skin tone. Find what looks best on you. And that's the finished look. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. And if you'd like to purchase any of the Mary Kay items that I used today, please click on my website below. Thank you.